To unlock the Terminus Easter egg, you first need to navigate the specific locations within the game. Start by accessing the area where the Easter egg is hidden, typically a remote or a out-of-sight location which is often filled with complex puzzles or tricky platforming sequences. Make sure to have a clear understanding of the game's mechanics and controls to avoid unnecessary errors along the way. Once you're in the right place, interact with the environment in certain ways. The Easter egg is usually triggered by specific actions, such as activating hidden switches, solving environmental puzzles, or performing sequences in a particular order. Pay close attention to any unusual visual or auditory cues that could signal that you've been triggered the next step. It's also common for Easter eggs like these to involve a bit of trial and error, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few attempts to unlock. Some might require completing certain challenges or unlocking specific abilities in the game before they can be accessed. Finally, enjoy the reward, whether it's a unique in-game item, a special cutscene, or a reference to another part of the game or a larger franchise. The Terminus Easter egg is designed to surprise and reward players who are curious enough to explore every corner of the game world.